How do you pick the number of streams? This is TN2224. When I'm working with a client to try and figure out the optimal configuration for their streaming group, I focus on mobile first. Which platforms do you want to support? How low a data rate do you want to support? And then get those nailed down first, and they're going to have the hardest configuration options to set up. And I try and use a standard configuration like 640 by 360 or 480 by 270 that I can also use on the desktop and mobile. And then I look at the computer ones next. And here what I'm trying to do is to match at least one stream for every window size on their website. So if they've got a 640 by 360 window, I want a 640 by 360 video stream. If it's 528 by 3 something, we'll have one stream customized for each window on their website. And this is kind of the approach that you see here from MTV. They have different video streams for different window sizes in their various properties. And then on the OTT side, once you're looking at the really high-end streams, it's basically an affordability option. So if you're paying, if you're at 8.6 megabits per second for 1080p video, that's very expensive to distribute. You've got to look at how you're monetizing your streams, if you are monetizing it, and whether or not you can afford to send those streams to your target viewers. Quality's going to be great, but you could go out of business. So configure the low end first. The mobile, they're going to be the most problematical. That's where you're going to run into the baseline issues we covered. Then cover computers. Make sure you match at least one stream for each window size. And then OTT, it's either going to be 720p or 1080p. Use a data rate that's affordable. There's no magic formula for how many streams. I do some work with people who are converting DVD-based assets, SD assets over to adaptive. You only need 2 or 3 streams for sub 640 by 480 content. If you're doing HD content up to 1080p, you see people producing, 11 or more streams. I think Major League Baseball is at 11 different streams, all the way up to 1080p.